How to log in to Hellenic Bank online banking account. So if you want to log in to Hellenic Bank online banking account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Hellenic Bank login. And after searching, you can go to the first search, which says www.hellenicbank.com. And now here on the bottom left corner, we will have login now option. You can simply click on login now and it will take you to the login page. So now to login, first you have to enter your username on the first blank, and then on the next blank you have to enter your password. But if you want to reset your password, if you have forgotten your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply click on forgot password and then you can reset your password. But if you don't have your account, then you can go to register now and then you can create your account. But if you remember your password and username, then you have to simply enter your password and username and then you have to click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into Hellenic Bank online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.